Good morning, students. I'm your English teacher, and today we are going to start a new chapter called Gogol's First Day. It's written by Jhumpa Lahiri. Now, Gogol is a young Bengali boy who lives in America, and he has to go to school for the first time. Okay, his parents, Ashok and Ashima, wanted that he should be called by the name Nikhil when he is in school. Okay, Gogol has never been called by Nikhil before, and he cannot understand why his parents wanted him to be called by Nikhil. Okay, now come to the first para. Gogol doesn't want a new name. He can't understand why he has to answer to anything else. Now, Gogol, he is very surprised by his new name. Okay, he, as a small child, he cannot understand why his parents want him to be called by the new name Nikhil. Okay, why do I have to have a new name? He asked his parents, tears springing to his eyes. So he goes to his parents and asks them very politely why they wanted him to be called Nikhil. Okay, and during that time he was drenched with tears. Okay, it would be one thing if his parents were to call him Nikhil too, but they tell him that the new name will be used only by the teachers and children at school. Now he was surprised that if the parents want to call him Nikhil, that would be okay, but they said Nikhil is only for the teachers and children at school. He is afraid to be Nikhil, someone he doesn't know and who doesn't know him. Now, you know why he is afraid by Nikhil? Because it was very much new to him and to the others also. His parents tell him that they each have two names too, as do all their Bengali friends in America and all their relatives in Calcutta. Bengalis, they mostly belong to Calcutta, right? So they convinced him that they both also had two names, and their friends which were living in America, they also had two names, and their relatives living in India, Calcutta, they also had two names. It's a part of growing up, they tell him, part of being Bengali. They again explained him, it's part of being a Bengali boy growing up. Okay, all the Bengalis, they have two names. They write it for him on a sheet of paper and ask him to copy it over 10 times. So what do their parents do? They simply wrote Nikhil on a piece of paper and asked him to practice writing it 10 times. Don't worry, his father says. To me and your mother, you will never be anyone but Gogol. Now, father, he was on a safest side for him. He says not to worry, as he is going to be Gogol for the parents. Now, para 2. At school, Ashok and Gogol are greeted by the secretary, Mrs. McNabb, who asked Ashok to fill out a registration form. Now, Ashok takes his son Gogol to school, where they both were greeted by the secretary of the school, Mrs. McNabb. And Ashok, he was asked to fill out the registration form. He provides a copy of Gogol's birth certificate and immunization record, which Mrs. McNabb puts in a folder along with the registration. So Father Ashok, he provides a copy of Gogol's birth certificate as well as the immunization record, which the secretary, Mrs. McNabb, puts in a folder along with the registration. This way, Mrs. McNabb says, leading them to the principal's office. So they both were leaded by Mrs. McNabb to the principal's office. The name on the door says Candace Lepidus. Okay, Mrs. Lepidus is a tall, slender woman with short, white, blood hair. Now, the principal's name was Candace Lepidus. Okay, who was a tall, slender woman with short, white, blood hair. Okay, blonde hair, sorry. It's blonde. You know what is blonde? The golden color hair. Okay. She looks at the registration form and smiles kindly at the boy who is clutching his father's hand. So the principal goes through the registration form and had a very kind smile on her face. Okay, and looked at Gogol, who was clutching his father's hand because he was not comfortable in school. Para third. Welcome to elementary school, Nikhil. I am your principal, Mrs. Lepidus. So she very warmly welcomes the new child to her school. Okay. Now fourth para. Gogol looks down at his sneakers. The way the principal pronounces his new name is different from the way his parents say it. The second part of it longer, sounding like heel. The pronunciation differs in America, right? They have a different accent, the way of speaking. So the principal, she pronounced Nikhil in a very different way from their parents. Para 5. She bends down so that her face is level with his and puts her hand on his shoulder. So the principal, she bends down and comes down to Nikhil's height and puts her hand on his shoulder and asks, "Can you tell me how old are you, Nikhil?" Okay, she is making actually Nikhil comfortable with the new surroundings. When the question is repeated and there is still no response, Mrs. Lepidus asks, "Mr. Ganguly, does Nikhil follow English?" So when Nikhil did not give any answer to the principal, when she asked his age 3 times, she gets suspicious and asks his father whether he understands English or not. "Of course he does," Ashok says. "My son is perfectly bilingual." Bilingual means a person who knows 2 languages. Bi means 2. Mono means 1. Okay.